Hello guys! We're back! We're now at the World Automobile and Piano Museum. So, we need to enter this golden gate. Look. Twimming! Wow! Okay guys. Muna akong future car. Future car. Nga, muna sa akong future. Future wife ko ng twimming. Nga, muna sa niya akong future face. Dara, oh. Come on. Tanawan niyo ang mga classic car dere sa Sugwipo. Here, oh. This is Clement Bayard EC4A. Here. And another one, Shift 7 horsepower. Shift 7 horsepower. Here's one. Twin cylinder, two-seater cylinder. Okay. And here. BMW 328. BMW 328. A Dream of Dilla Chapelle. Here. Dilla Chapelle. Here. Okay. Look. Classic car. Bugatti. Here. Another one. Here. Sa pangalan ni? Okay. Wait a minute. Being mainit. This is MGTD. MGT type. MG means Mario Geniere.
What?
T-Series. British military captivity in the hearts of 1 million American soldiers.
Wow.
Oh, come on.
Oh my
Wow.
God.
Alright. Please, Dilly. Model 10. Yeah, Model 10. Dominating the early British mobile market. See the tire. Vintage car na yun eh, guys. Oh? Look. Vintage car. Yan na pa sila yung basket sa luyo. Next. Ford Model T. Changing the course of history. C. Tanawan ninyo mga kahigalaan, mga kabagtus. Muni ang service ni Burj Jewel. Hero. Ford. See? Look. A lot of vintage car. There guys. Ford Model T. Dodge. Brother Final Van. Dodge Brothers. For dependability, services, and parts. Whippet. Here. And Ford Model E. And Chevrolet AE Independence. See? Standard sedan. 1931. And Chevrolet Standard. 1934. Tramping over economic hardship. And Vauxhall DX. Vauxhall DX is a 14 horsepower touring saloon. And there is another. Dagan pag daw dito guys. So, tara. For V8 Deluxe. Ford Model A. Kanan niya eh. Here. And Cairo. Hellman Street 8. Hit by the impact of the Great Depression. Oh, depression ko no.
Wow.
Is still the bigger champion. Nada pa ay. Dula na ay. Big special. Jaguar. Jaguar. Jaguar Mark V. Mas ambassador. Kani Chrysler Windsor. Hudson Super 6. So yan. Kani ay Cadillac. Gumuba. Bagay ka dire. Oh, inano sa mga car. Mao na akong type. Bagay ka ko diri guys, oh. Bagay kay ko ani nga car guys.
Wow.
See? Chevrolet. Chevrolet. Kana Chevrolet ay? Cadillac. Cadillac sedan. Chevrolet again. Nash Statesman. Nice, oh. Napay. Nice car. Lincoln Centennial Mark V. Continental. Kani Oldsmobile. Benz Z300.
We're down to the Rolls Royce, the most expensive car in the world. Over there.
Wow. Bentley. Rolls Royce. Ferrari GT 308. Lamborghini Countach LP 400. Okay. Chevrolet. Ha? Okay. Alfa Romeo. Dali.